welcome to our channel. So we are in the Borgata Hotel Casino Resort.
Sorry.
In the Fiore suite. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick, so my voice sounds funny. So this is the foyer, sorry. A little rough today. We have a nice big mirror as we walk in our entranceway. Place to drop off your keys and your purse. We have a nice big TV over here. Lots of space with this. In-room dining. We'll do that tonight. We have a coffee maker over here. It's not a Keurig. We'll just say that. It's not a Keurig. But it looks nice. Yeah. You know, it looks nice. The ice bucket's next to it. I'm over here. Mini fridge. And it's not full of garbage, so we can actually use it, which is nice. Regular drawer space. See, would you look? And we have a nice desk over here. Probably turn into my vanity, but a nice desk over here. Then we have our king-size bed. Night table on this side. Nice little chair to relax in. And you know what? James is going to take over from here. All right?
So we have a nice bay view. The windows are nice floor to ceiling. Well, not floor to ceiling, but almost floor to ceiling windows. Juliana requested a bay view, even though I wanted the city view. She didn't know what bay meant. But anyway, this is a bay view. She thought it meant ocean. So here's the bay view. It's nice, don't get me wrong. It kind of like a swampy Florida look kind of to me. But
well, it's only one night. It's fine.
Yeah, it's only here for a night. So, it's nice long mirrors.
Yeah,
long
very
windows.
big.
Your little spot right here, put some stuff on. Nice couch. Nice table, and a little stand over there. You have a lamp on each side. There's a bunch of lamps in this room, actually. A lot of lighting. Come over here to the bathroom. This room actually has its own vanity here. So there's a vanity over there on your right hand side.
Oh, really? See, we didn't even make it all the way in the room yet.
Here's a nice closet. Safe. Luggage stand, iron board hangers.
Look at the mirrors on there. Oh, they're so pretty.
Over here, 2 garbage cans. His and her sinks. I do like how the sinks are.
Yeah.
You have some nice amenities here. Typical stuff. I don't see anything different.
Probably one of those kits.
Oh yeah, shower cap, nail file,
yeah.
Cotton swabs, and cotton rounds. You have a hair dryer over there. Over here, some nice storage space again. Toilet here, deep soaking tub over here. I love the marble.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Real pretty.
Oh, that's so pretty.
She probably won't use it.
Yes, I
And
will.
then nice, beautiful. I do love the showers. Real nice in here.
You probably won't use it. No, you
Real
won't.
nice. Usually when I go away, if I have a deep soaking tub, I take advantage of it.
Never the shower.
If not, I'll take the shower. But this is a nice shower, though. I do like this shower.
It is. It's really pretty.
Nice. The colors are nice.
The
Bath mat on the floor, ready for you to over your cold bath. And I think that's it. Nice lighting. It's a nice room. It's one of our smallest you can stay in. Only 1 bedroom. But it's definitely a nice suite.
it's a very nice bathroom, too.
Yeah. It actually got a good package rate on it, too. With dinner, $100 for food and beverage, and 2 comical tickets. So it's definitely a nice deal we got for around $200-something bucks.
Yeah.
Definitely a good deal. The room rate was actually more than the package, so.
Our last day was at Hard Rock, right?
Yeah, last one we did was at Hard Rock. No, Eberstar, New York.
Oh, okay. Well, when we stayed at Hard Rock, I forgot to say I also got engaged. You can't really see it in here, but it's really pretty. It's a little blurry, but I got engaged there.
Yeah, she got engaged. Wedding is 2020, another year.
Another year. Yeah, we got a lot of planning. Yeah.
We can't be doing these trips as much. Saving up now.
Yeah, that's why we have a smaller room now.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks, guys.
Thank you. Bye.